Hauff is one of Europe's leading manufacturers of sealing systems for cables, pipes, and building entries. The company's products protect buildings from penetrating water, gas, fire, and dirt. For shipping, Hauff relies on support from the AEB Cloud Platform. It guides employees at the packing station through the process, for example. For Hauff, a touch operation was the ideal interface for interaction. A key advantage of the AEB Cloud Platform is the easy operation that is tailored exactly to the tasks and environment of each user. This ensures optimum software support even for different requirements. At the loading docks, a mobile solution was important. Here, Hauff works exclusively with scanners. Therefore, the application needed a clear and simple design. With its consistent focus on user experience, the AEB Cloud Platform not only facilitates work, but also reduces errors and increases efficiency.